Ready, set, geometry. Let's see how fast you can complete this 4-lap race. First thing, we need for you to type your name right here. First lap. What three-dimensional figure has one circular base? And you're going to type your answer right here. And whenever you're ready, click Next. Awesome! You've completed your first lap. Now crack the code to finish your second lap. What is the 4-letter code? No spaces in between the letters. So right here it says identify the number of faces for the three-dimensional figures. The answers will create a code. Example 2, 3, 4, 1. So you have these 4 images. Way to go! You're ready for lap 3. Which three-dimensional figure has no bases and no faces? You're going to type your answer here and then click Next. Ready to start your final lap? You're almost at the finish line. Zane sorted some figures into 2 groups, Group X and Group Y. Which statement about the figures Zane sorted is true? F. All the figures in Group X are cylinders. G. All the figures in Group X are cones. H. All the figures in Group Y are prisms. G. All the figures in Group Y are rectangular prisms. You'll choose the correct answer and click Next. You've reached the finish line. Congratulations, you've completed your 4 laps. Now you just need to hit the submit button.